Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some of the first car mods slash accessories in my Volkswagen Up. So yeah, let's get into the video. So you want to put some music on, boys? Stick some music on. So we got an air freshener. I forgot to record it, but I've opened. He's opened it halfway. I'll tell you how it goes. Don't worry about it not being straight. Ah, that's how you do it.
Yes.
I'll come back to you when I've opened it. So I finally opened it. Took about half an hour, but yeah, smells nice. Can hang it up there, put it in the centre. But yeah, yay! So we got it in the middle. Eventually, turn this shit off. So these are the car mats I put in this morning. They're just the basic ones. Okay, that was. What did you do with the fucking passenger one, Nico?
Huh?
What did you do with the passenger car mat?
Oh, put it on the floor.
What the f? Why is it on the floor? And we got these ones. I only put them in this morning, and then I decided to buy some more today. So yeah, these are the ones we're putting in. Nice red stitching. Gonna be putting these in now. I'll show you in a sec. So we've got the new red ones in. He literally took his shoes off to see it because it's so nice and fluffy. And then we've got these ones in the back. Look gorgeous. And you might have seen it then. A little red dog from a big red car. Nice. So we're cleaning it with some antibacterial. Got the vacuums somewhere down there between his legs, giving it a little clean. My dog car's looking fresh now. It's not actually that dirty, to be fair. It just needs a little bit of a clean. She's gone. She was in the car. So right, these are my old car mats. I had to cut holes. Well, I took the things off of these ones to put in my new ones because my new ones kept slipping. So now my new ones, oh, you can't see, but they've got the clips on now, so they will stop slipping on underneath because it kept slipping, but now got clips in, so it'll be fine. I'm just going to really quickly go through all the accessories what we got in this video and a couple of bits that I got that I haven't showed you. I'll show you now. So we got the new car mats then, looking lovely with the new clips that I installed. The other ones, all that. We got Clifford, the big red dog, to go with my big red car. Got Eminem curtain call, just had that on the radio. And we got this fella, found that yesterday, so I put that in. And my air freshener, that doesn't work, but it was only £4, so who cares. My air freshener doesn't work. I don't know how to. I'm a fail, mate. So air freshener, this Lynx one don't work at all. It smells nice, but it just don't work. So we got a little Formula One, bare one. Got it from Own Bargains for 29p. So yeah, we're going to install this now. To be fair, it smells a lot nicer actually. Just for the time being. Nice. We got a little Formula One teddy bear. We also got the radio working now because over here, when we first got car, radio just didn't work and it was like. Anyways, so I re-channeled the channels. What the fuck are you doing? Hold it straight.
I'm doing camera work.
That's fine. I'm gonna fire you in a minute. You are the shittest cameraman I think I've ever met in my life. Just hold it there.
Okay.
So we re-channeled the radios. So let's try and get this without copyright.
We'll buy your car.
Yep, that's the radio station I wanted.
Are you looking?
My cat's in the car, and now she left. Again, every time She gets in the car, she leaves. The sun has actually just came out, so I'm gonna give you guys a little shot of the car in the sun. So good. By the way, I will most likely be making a review for this car, just the same as I reviewed the Passat, and I've got a couple other cars to review, but I'm going to be reviewing this car very soon, so watch out for that video. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see more of, and if you like the Volkswagen Up, and if you want to see more of it, because to be honest with you, I don't care if you like it or not, you're going to see more of it anyway. Anyways, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Yeah.